I was a little bit sceptical because I wasn't confident that the information that was being supplied to me, really satisfied, some of the questions that I had. But as time progressed and the more people I spoke to, people that had solar systems put up and others and so forth in the industry, I became more confident and I took the leap and put in the first solar system that I had. Because my first installation brought my energy costs down quite substantially, I also still had a remaining cost which I thought, well, perhaps I'll investigate in negating the further costs down to a situation where I reduced it, quite substantially. The initial system was a 10 kilowatt system. The one that we're currently installing is a 17.6 kilowatt system, an additional 17.6 kilowatts. It was installed by a local company. The reasons why I decided to go with this particular company was they were local, they employed local tradespeople and so forth, and I ended up with a very satisfactory result, a good result.